Welcome back to our welder journey. On today's episode, we have a small repair to do, but it's kind of important and it's real world stuff. So here we go. It's a manhole cover. It's nothing special, but it's what we need to do. Here it is. Let's rust it out. Almost ready for somebody to fall through. I'm gonna remove it, maybe replace the top part, build a new retractable handle like this one, handle that goes inside outwards. Safety reasons. We don't want anybody to fall in there. Moment of truth. Let's see if the cap will fit. Here it is. Let me put the phone far away so it doesn't fall in there. Oh, yes. It fits. Beautiful. Nice. A job well done. It's not every week I upload a really exciting videos, but this is real world welding. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. What you doing? Cleaning up freaking gas tank. And main job 1 hour later. Yeah, and it's a garbage truck fuel tank, so